Yeah. Can you show me what you have in your hand? What do you have?
A hat.
Is it a hat?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's a special kind of hat called a funnel.
You sit on my lap and see.
We didn't take your picture yet. There's not going to be anything to see until we take your picture. You going to sit in my lap? Okay. See? There's nothing to see in there because the camera's facing the wrong way. Can you put your hat on again? Can you show us what you have in your hand?
Hat.
Okay, put it on. Good job. Uh-oh.
We dropped the hat.
Yep. There you go. Is it pretty?
You wear it like that. You keep it like that.
Okay.
You don't keep it like that.
No?
You don't keep it like that.
Okay.
I don't keep it like that.
Okay.
Can you put that away?
Okay.
That isn't other thing door. I think you need it.
Okay.
I don't think you need it.
No? Good.
I don't